Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my most ambitious plant yet. I call it my 2525G Collectors All Cast series. And there's a lot of information I need to impart to you. This is a 15 cast iron generator with a Jensen script on front. And the 3-inch axle has been replaced by a 4-inch axle with two 4-tiered pulleys on it. And every cast iron base on this whole plinth has been bead blasted and repainted, and they look as good on the bottom as they do on the top. The 25 powering the 15 generator has a matching pulley on it. That one belt will go up and down the ratios, and you don't need to have any other belt than that one. I've been to the nickel platers, and I've had a lot of work done on this. I think the most of anything I've produced so far. The flywheel has been sent off, re-nickel plated. So as the steam chest cylinder, same for both engines. The boiler has been sent off, re-nickel plated. They look like brand new. It's got one of my pressure gauges, 0 to 30 psi or 0 to 2 bar. We have the vintage safety valve, whistle. Of course the whistle works. And like I said, same thing over here. The steam chest has been sent off, as well as the flywheel. Been re-nickel plated. They've been trued up before they left here, and everything looks as close to brand new or better as it can. And plant number 2 over here is powering the Jensen replica windmill. This is something that came out with the 90s. Well, they never really came out with it. They just had a pamphlet for it, and you can see it's got the Jensen logos on both sides. And we have red-tipped fan and red ladder, and this one has the cast iron base that matches all the other bases. They've all been reshot and repainted at the same time. And we have our special decal here. This is actually a metal plate, and we have a non-functioning oak water pump here, and it has 2 ball bearings supporting the axle, and you can see this one also acts as a transmission. And I forgot to mention that, of course, the generator can act as a transmission as well now, too. If I didn't mention it, the firebox has been bead blasted and repainted with very high temperature black paint. It should last and stay like this for a very long time with any little care. So I have a special tag on the back. It's going to be hard to capture. It says 2525G and modifications by St. Paul Steam at the bottom. This is a top quality plant, and I didn't mention it, she weighs 16 pounds full of water. Plinth is 18.5 by 16 inches, and she's 18 inches tall. It runs exceedingly smooth. There's not a part on this whole plant, including the eccentrics and everything, that I have not taken apart, cleaned, detailed, and reassembled. I have a lot of work on this plant. Of course, the sight gauge has been rebuilt. This is as new. An LED bulb in there. And of course it has dual throttle valves on it to run each engine independently of the other. The boiler is good and strong, the heater is. And I thank you for looking, folks.